the Loyalty Termite Delaware. Leave your bug problems behind. Call 302-386-3999.
Don't Feed the Beast: Why Your Quick Fix is Making My Job Harder. By Ciaran Cran, Loyalty Pest Control Delaware. Listen, I get it. You're sitting in your kitchen in Wilmington or Dover. You see a stray roach or a line of ants, and your first instinct isn't to call me, it's to run to the big box hardware store. You want it gone, and you want it gone now. But here's the cold, hard truth from someone who spends his days in crawl spaces and attics. Most DIY pest control is just relocation, not elimination. In fact, many of the products you buy off the shelf are designed to be repellents, which sounds good in theory, but in practice it's like trying to put out a fire by scattering the embers. If you're determined to handle things yourself, at least avoid these 3 rookie moves that consistently turn a small nuisance into a full-blown structural nightmare. 1. The Bug Bomb Backfire. The Total Release Fogger, or Bug Bomb, is the single most misunderstood tool in the aisle. People think it's a magic reset button. It isn't. When you set off a fogger, the pesticide moves upward and settles on flat surfaces, like your countertops and pillows. It rarely reaches the deep cracks, crevices, and wall voids where pests actually live. Even worse, the fumes often act as a warning. Instead of dying, the colony senses the threat and retreats deeper into your walls or moves to a different room. You might not see a bug for 3 days, but meanwhile, they're setting up shop in your bedroom. 2. Overbaiting and undercleaning. I see this with ants and roaches all the time. Someone buys a tube of gel bait and smears it everywhere like they're frosting a cake. The mistake: if you use too much or if you place it near a repellent spray you just used, the pests won't touch it. The competing food source: bait only works if it's the best meal in the house. If you've got crumbs under the toaster or a leaky pipe under the sink, the pests are going to ignore your poison for the organic buffet you've accidentally provided. 3. Misidentifying the enemy. In Delaware, we deal with a lot of lookalikes. I've had customers spend $200 on ant spray only to find out they actually have swarming termites. Using the wrong product for the wrong bug is like taking aspirin for a broken leg. It might dull the pain for a second, but it's not fixing the underlying structural damage. Termites, carpenter ants, and powder post beetles all require very different strategies. If you guess wrong, you're just giving the colony more time to eat your house. The loyalty bottom line: DIY has its place. Keeping your gutters clean and your grass trimmed are the best pest control steps you can take. But when the guests are already inside, spray and pray isn't a strategy. It's an invitation for them to move into the guest room. At Loyalty Pest Control, we don't just spray, we investigate. We find the source, we identify the species, and we stop the cycle. Don't make your infestation worse by trying to be a weekend warrior with a can of Raid. Think you might have made one of these mistakes already? Would you like me to put together a quick home inspection checklist so you can spot the signs of a hidden infestation before it gets out of hand?
My name is Ciaran Cran, and I'm the owner of Loyalty Termite and Pest Control here in Wilmington. And I want to thank you personally for stopping by our website. We are a full-service pest control company, and we are dedicated to helping people just like you to be able to live pest-free lives. So whether that's ants, mice, crickets, termites, bed bugs, even mice or rats, squirrels in the attic as well, we are here to help. So just scroll down on our website, see what we're about. Even check out some of the reviews and some of the things that our customers have been saying about it. Or, if you simply just have a question, or if you would, like to book a service with us, please give us a call, 302-386-3999. And if you hit extension number 2, just ask for me, Ciaran Cran, and you can speak with me personally. And I'd be more than glad to talk with you anytime. Also, too, don't forget, we have a free 58-point pest inspection. Really, we like to call it a survey and analysis of your home. And that's top to bottom, bottom to the top. And you get those results in writing as well. So, we want to thank you again for stopping by, to visiting us here at www.loyaltypest.com. And we just really hope that you have a good day and have a good pest-free day.
Google Loyalty Termite Delaware. Leave your bug problems behind. Call 302-386